everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. For today's video, I just wanted to share with you some of our specialties here at Larry the Computer Guy. Updating, installing, and maintaining software, any software ranging from Windows to Microsoft Office. Data, file, or network recovery, repair of physical computers and servers, setting up absolutely anything you need set up, including wireless networks and virus protection. Our Larry On Guard service is a proactive solution to keeping your software free from viruses and malware. We can check your hardware and keep your computer up to date with the latest Microsoft patches and third-party software updates. Larry On Guard is protection for the future. How can we serve you today? Give us a call at Larry the Computer Guy.